Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals. As it is cleared from the chapter topic name, Conservation of Plants and Animals. Conserve means to protect. Means in this chapter we will study about the protection of plants and animals. We know that a great variety of the plants and animals live on this earth, and all these variety of plants and animals are essential for the well-being and survival of the mankind. But there is a threat of this deforestation. Deforestation is a main cause which disturb the balance on this earth. So what is the means of deforestation? I will tell you. Deforestation means cutting off the trees on the large scale and use this land for another purposes. This is the deforestation. Deforestation means clearing of forest on the large scale and using that land for various purposes, other purposes. This is called deforestation. Deforestation is carried out for various purposes. What are the purpose? First purpose is procuring land for cultivation. Means after the cutting of trees, the land which is cleared is utilized for the cultivation. Cultivation means to grow the crops. Means deforestation is the main cause to increasing the agricultural land. Another purpose is to make the buildings, houses and factories. Deforestation is carried out for the construction of buildings. Buildings may be residential and commercial, factories. Also, deforestation is carried out for making furniture and using wood as the fuels. Either than these purposes, there are another more purposes, and various consequences also are there of the deforestation. What are the consequences? Consequences means harms. Deforestation के harms क्या हैं? First, we know that we all required oxygen in the breathing and we release carbon dioxide in our respiration. So here is a question, where does this carbon dioxide go and from where oxygen is coming? The answer is this: the oxygen that we require, we means human beings and another animals, all required oxygen for the respiration, and this oxygen is coming out from the green plants, and the carbon dioxide that we expel, we means human beings and animals release carbon dioxide. All these carbon dioxide is absorbed by the green plants in photosynthesis. Therefore, green plants are important for us, for the animals and for the human beings, because they give us valuable oxygen. So what are the harms of the cutting of trees? First, increase the pollution level. If there were fewer trees, then they will absorb few carbon dioxide and oxygen level decrease. In this way, pollution level increases. Second consequences is increase the temperature. Whenever the concentration of the carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, then this will leads to the global warming. Global warming is actual increasing of the temperature. In this way, the temperature of earth increases, which leads to the global warming. There are various results of global warming coming out, like as the flooding. Whenever global warming causes, this may disturb the water cycle. If the water cycle disturbed, then the waterfall means rain may be reduced or it may be excessive rains. If less rains, then this may lead to the drought condition. If excess rains are caused, then this may lead to flooding, means बाढ़ आ जाएगी. Whenever floods are there, then this may cause the soil erosion. In this way, deforestation disturbs the whole water cycle. Thank you.